Yo, hey guys, Austin back from Austin and Terry Gaming, and it's been a long time since a video has been uploaded, and it's been an X long time since the co-founder is back.
Terry, or the Big T-Dog, from Austin and Terry Gaming, and we're about to pull off some pranks with
cap guns. Cap guns,
more
yeah.
like, but anyway, yeah, because I know some of you guys at school wanted to see me do a vid, and, yo, look at that.
What? What?
Okay, what the heck is in the car?
Don't
Dude,
know.
look at that dog.
Huh?
Anyway, yo. So, yeah, that's totally off me. But we are doing pranks with cap guns, and we're gonna see, since we're in March, if anybody will come out and yell at us. Because if we do, then I guess we'll just end the video.
Yeah.
But maybe we won't explore, because who knows. But then we might go exploring and doing pranks on other people with cap guns. You know what I mean? Look at this. Look at me. Dylan, I know if you're gonna watch this, you're gonna laugh, because I can see you. And also you, Nate, and a few other of my friends that probably don't give a hell about my thing. But yeah, that's my friend Austin. You might have seen him in my black eye. It's been 6 months since I have premiered in a video.
No, 12, like almost a year.
Almost a year, but
because
yeah.
Last time you were in that video, that was when you had on your Xbox 360.
Yeah, true. Anyway.
That was like right before Christmas as well.
Yeah, and anyway, I'm gonna start being in more videos now because look, Fago and pop machines.
Yes, Terry, I'll give you my. I'll go ahead. If you
But
can
yeah.
download YouTube, I'll go ahead, put.
I have YouTube on my phone.
Yeah, I'll go ahead put my YouTube account, my Gmail account onto your phone.
Nice. Anyway, so yeah, I might be uploading videos too, but I mean, since this is me and his channel, we're gonna be doing this stuff. So yeah. Anyway, so how you guys doing? Please, if there's any newcomers for some reason, just want to search up some weird, stupid ass stuff, and
or like the least famous channels.
Least favorite channels. I know you people at school probably think this is your favorite. Nah.
Least famous, I should say, not least favorite. Least famous.
We're gonna be famous, damn it! We're gonna be famous.
One day.
One day we're gonna be. Dude, oh.
Okay, we're not actually.
Spine cones.
Smell like cinnamon.
Baby girl probably tastes like cinnamon. Anyway,
Terry?
I should always do a rap at the end of the video. I should do.
Alright, Terry, load up your gun.
Alright.
There's a cap right there for you. So yeah, finally back.
Yeah, yo,
in
it's.
action. It's
I'm
been.
actually kind of happy to be back, and if you guys are wondering why I haven't been
No.
videos, also because I've been busy, because life is stressful. Life.
And it never gets easier.
Yeah.
Never.
Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's not the end of the video.
Yeah.
Anyways, you record me because
Hold up.
I'm gonna pull something off.
Alright, but hold up. Gotta fix up my case right here. See that? See that shit?
Yeah, your his case. You know?
It's a life-proof case, so.
Well, anybody know coming out? So
Shit.
hey, yo.
If it's a life-proof case, guys.
I'm about
What's
to
wrong with you?
or doing this.
See, it's life-proof. Screen doesn't even crack, nor is the camera. Holy cow.
Hey, wanna know what else isn't cracked? Hi, you're Bucky.
Okay, but you can see like the two tents right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Shit, that was a loud one. Guess what?
Look, I'm about to pull out some Aaron Black stuff. Aaron Black, like.
Do you see all that smoke coming out of that, guys? There's just some smoke. I'm gonna have to record this as it comes out.
Yeah, anyway.
Anyways, let's go ahead and reload.
I think I wasted all my
Record this.
this.
Record this.
I know.
Then you just go.
Yeah, just throw that.
You throw out the.
Okay, anyway, okay, let's stop wasting caps. Let's.
Wait, where did my cap go? That I just had.
Who the hell knows? Fuck.
That's a cap wasted.
Hey, stop swearing.
Ow. I'll see if I can somehow edit that part out in the video. Hold on.
I'm gonna do it myself.
No, hold on, dude.
Yo, I see some people. Hello. Hello. Peekaboo.
Alright guys, watch this. Right. Focusing. First person shooter. Dun 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 dun. Bam 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 bam.
Austin, it's RAP time. Ready? Hey, yo, I knew it. Hold up.
Focus, come on, focus, focus, focus. Come
Yo.
on. Focus. Focus.
Hey. Yo. Hey. Camera better focus. Life just hocus pocus. Wanna try to kill me cause you can't even focus. Yo, let's go, man.
I think those are hobos. They go straight. Hold on, let me reload. Hold on. It's taking forever for me to fucking reload.
Have a happy holiday. Huh? Anyway, this is this kid. His name's Joe. We don't really know him that much. Where you going, Joe? My trigger is jamming. Why is my trigger jamming?
Dun, dun, I'm gonna run. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. You gotta run and shoot. One.
Man.
Shit, did you guys see that smoke? Holy cow. And
Okay, this is getting boring, so I'm pretty sure if one of us is reloading our caps, so yeah.
sorry about that boring stuff with the reloading.
Yeah, I know. We have to put the camera down because of this guy.
Hey.
Oh.
Remember whose phone you're holding there.
Remember whose nuts you're holding, right?
Look out at that! Something flew out.
I know. The black guy, what? Alright, yeah.
Alright, well, hey guys. Here. Terry, that's even boring. Guys, look at that. Look at all that gunpowder in there. Focus.
It's weird. How is something flying out and hitting us? Like, bro.
So much plastic from the gun. Look at all that gunpowder in there. It's all gunpowder. So that is in there. Oh shoot. I'm playing with the controls. Hold on. You're on YouTube.
Yeah, you're on YouTube. Oh, dang.
Can't do that here. You're gonna have to leave.
Okay.
Huh?
You gotta go.
Oh,
Can't
okay.
do that here.
My bad.
Okay.
Clean yourself up, okay?
Alright.
Thank you.
Well, guys, we just got yelled at.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and just do pranks on people.
We'll be right back. After all this guy's brains.
I
I know.
What'd you say, my boy? What'd you say, my boy?
Cherry, I know where Cody Sports is.
Yeah, I know. So do I.
Also, they killed the dog.
Really?
Yeah. I can show you it.
There's so many.
I know.
No, I don't want to.
This is how you clean
I'll
up.
hold the camera this time.
This is how you clean up. So it's very hard to drive one hand.
And you clean up. And you clean up.
Alright,
And then
come on.
clean up. Alright, let's go. What? I had to make the pun. Come on. 7 Up.
7 Up or double? Cherry, I know what double tap is. 7 Up.
Yeah.
No, stamina up is
Here, you
7
hold
Up.
this.
Terry, stamina up is 7 Up. 7 Up,
Stand up and up,
stamina up.
just like the stand.
That was very good. We're gonna go, Terry, or what?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Here, buy that person.
Oh my god, that was funny. Did you guys hear her? She said, Terry, she called you an idiot. She looked back at you and said, idiots.
Oh yeah, that's loud. That guy was back too.
Only the girl did. Like, yeah, that's the only person I saw look back, but she looked back like, and she was like, idiot. Like, she was like, she sounded like
Did you
my...
grab the caps?
What?
Did you
Yeah.
grab the caps?
She was like, idiots, like, as in like, what the fuck is wrong with people these days? Idiots.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Hey, hello. Is that what's still recording?
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, we'll find out a way to, cut out all the swear words, hopefully.
Well, no.
And I'll also cut
Hey,
out that part.
Let's reload real quick.
I'm reloaded.
Why? Reload?
Did you, how many shots did you shoot? Only one?
I shot all of them.
Alright. Shoot. Can I bounce it on the steel beam? Fuck. No.
Baby girl can balance on my steel beam. Yeah, okay.
I'm not gonna cut out that part.
Yeah, that's what my baby girl said.
And I'm gonna tell it to Amber. It was all for Amber. By Cherry.
Yeah, I'm gonna conserve.
You conserve like me. Don't waste, conserve.
Well, I
Recycle.
can't say that to all them girls. I have to waste. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no. But the girls, you just have to waste, girls.
Why would this not go in?
If a girl starts to masturbate to you,
Shut up, Austin.
masturbate back. Okay, conserve. 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 Yeah. I'm gonna add out like all the parts that just more or less we shouldn't have on this video. Alright.
Alright.
Well, guys, we'll
Well,
see you right
um,
after Cherry does something.
Yeah, well, guys, we're gonna make a separate video, like another part two actually. So,
This already might be a part 2 video because I'm not sure if I'll be able to upload over 10 minutes. Might, not sure. Hopefully.
so we're gonna end this video, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yep. Bye-bye.